Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we did addition through the given objects. Now today we are going to do addition through numbers. Okay? Now we have two kinds of problems. First one are horizontal problem and the other ones are vertical problems. Children, what is horizontal? When the number are given in single line. This is horizontal. So when this kind of question is given to you, you are going to draw lines and then add. Like here it is 2. So ma'am is going to draw 2 lines, 1 and 2. Then for 4 I am going to make 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have to add 2 and 4. So we are going to count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer of horizontal addition of 2 and 4 is 6. Okay children? So whenever number is given, we are going to make sticks. Okay? Or lines you can say. This is horizontal addition. Likewise, you are going to do vertical addition. Vertical addition is when the numbers are given downwards. Like 3 and 9. So what we are going to do? First we are going to make the lines 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then number 9 is given. We are going to make 9 lines or sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now children, after 3 we are going to do the forward counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 1, 2, 12. Now for more practice children, we are going to do it in our notebook. Students, take out your preschool mathematics writing notebook and come to page number 99. Children, firstly we are going to do horizontal addition where the number are given in one single line. Children, first number is 2 and 1. We have to add them. So first of all we will make 2 lines and here 1 line. The answer will be 1, 2 and 3. Children, when single digit is there, we will leave this box and we will write here. Likewise, for 3 and 3, we are going to make 3 lines. Again, 3 lines. Children, when the numbers are small, you can even do on your hands. 1, 2, 3 and from another hand 1, 2, 3. Then it will become 3, 4, 5, 6. You can also do on your fingers. But I am following the stick method or the line method because in the numbers which are great, we are not able to count on fingers. So we will follow here only the line method. 3 and 2. Children, what we will do? Now we will not count it again. We will say 3, 4, 5. For 4 and 1, make 4 lines and 1 line. 4 and 1, 5. Yes, if you are not able, then you can count the whole like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now in 2 and 2, we will count like 2, 3, 4. We are counting the sticks and we are adding them and writing the answer as we did it previously here. For 7 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 2. So after 7 we will say 8 and 9. 9 is our answer. Now for 6 and 1, we will make 6 lines and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can count the whole if you are unable to count in forward, otherwise count like 6 and 1, 7. Now for 5 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, we have made lines. Now we'll say 5, 6, 7 and 8. For 4 and 2, children, you can also do mind and stick method or mind and finger method. Here I have changed the method. Here I have not made sticks. I have made the sticks only for the another number. Like here I will directly say 4 and then 5, 6. You can even follow this method. 1, 2, 3. Instead of making this, we can do the forward counting. Here one method is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will be the answer of addition. And here the another method is that we are not going to make sticks for the first digit. We are going to make it for second number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now children, what we will do? We will say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is also one method which you can follow. For 5, we have not made lines now, and we are going to make 8 lines. For 8, we have made 8 lines. Now we will do the addition like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Children, likewise, you will complete this page. This was your horizontal addition. Now, on page number 101 or 101, we are going to do vertical addition. Here one method is you make the lines for both the numbers 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 and count them then. Children, it is vertical, so 5 ke samne we have made 5 lines and 3 ke opposite we have made 3 lines. So one method is you count them all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the another method is you do not make lines for the another first number, but you make lines for 7, another number. So it is 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the answer. Now for 5 and 8, we are not going to make lines for 5, we are going to make lines for 8 because we are following forward counting method. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer will be 13. Now likewise, children, you can see that I have made lines for the second number but not for the first number. And now we are going to do forward counting. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the answer. 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Are you getting that, children? I am not making lines for it. I am saying 6. Then I will say 7, 8, 9, 10. Because I have made 4 lines for this number. Likewise, you will have to complete the whole page. And for any difficulty, you can send your queries on e-feedback. Okay, children, take care. Bye-bye.